Chapter 2 of the Scoliosis Diet: The Role of Genetic Variant Patterns on Idiopathic Scoliosis. Idiopathic scoliosis is a complex condition that doesn't have just one clear cause. Instead, it happens when many different factors come together, especially during the rapid growth of childhood and adolescence. One of the most important pieces of the puzzle is genetics. Scientists have discovered that people with idiopathic scoliosis often have a pattern of small changes in their DNA, called genetic variants. These variants affect how the body works in several key areas, including neurotransmitter production, hormone metabolism, and bone health. While these genetic issues cannot be changed, their effects can be reduced through healthy environmental choices like therapeutic diets and targeted supplements. Neurotransmitters are chemicals in the brain that help nerve cells communicate. They play a big role in controlling posture, muscle tone, and balance. Some of the genetic variants found in scoliosis patients affect how neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine are made or broken down. If these neurotransmitters are not balanced properly, the brain and muscles may not work together effectively, leading to poor postural control and possibly contributing to a curved spine. For example, variants in the MAOA and COMT genes can slow down the body's ability to break down neurotransmitters, which can lead to problems with focus, stress, and motor control. These problems can make it harder for a young person to maintain good posture and spinal alignment during growth. Hormone metabolism is another area where genetic variants can cause trouble. Hormones like estrogen, melatonin, and cortisol help regulate bone growth, sleep patterns, stress, and the timing of puberty, all of which are linked to scoliosis. Some people with scoliosis have genetic variants that make it harder for their bodies to produce, balance, or respond to these hormones. For instance, variants in genes like COMT or MTHFR can interfere with hormone processing or methylation, which affects how well the body can use certain nutrients and hormones. These disruptions can lead to imbalances that cause uneven growth patterns or reduce the strength and flexibility of bones, joints, and ligaments. Bone health and development are also affected by genetic variants. Bones are living tissues that need nutrients like calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin K2 to grow strong and stay healthy. Certain genetic changes may affect how these nutrients are absorbed, transported, or activated in the body. For example, variants in the VDR gene, vitamin D receptor, can reduce how well vitamin D works in the body, even if a person is getting enough from food or sunlight. Weak or poorly developed bones are more likely to be affected by the forces of uneven muscle tension or rapid growth, which can cause or worsen a spinal curve. Although these genetic factors increase the risk of scoliosis, they don't guarantee it will happen. Environmental factors, things we can control, can help reduce the negative effects of these genes. A therapeutic diet rich in nutrients that support bone health, hormone balance, and brain function can make a big difference. For example, eating foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins can support healthy neurotransmitter levels and reduce inflammation. Avoiding processed foods, added sugars, and hormone-disrupting chemicals can also protect the body from extra stress. Highly targeted supplementation can be even more effective. Genetic testing can show which nutrients a person may need more of based on their specific genetic variants. This allows doctors or nutrition specialists to create a personalized plan that includes vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and herbal supplements to support neurotransmitter balance, hormone function, and strong bones. By addressing these weaknesses, it is possible to reduce the risk of curve progression and improve overall health. In summary, genetic variant patterns affect key systems involved in scoliosis: neurotransmitters, hormones, and bone development. But with the right diet and personalized supplements, the effects of these genetic risks can be managed, giving the body the support it needs to stay as strong and balanced as possible.